So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot set up voicemail. It's a call voicemail on iPhone and it's showing error performing. A lot of iPhone users have been reporting that they cannot set up voicemail. It's a voicemail. When they click on it, they get error performing request unknown error. In this video I will show you how to fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how to fix that issue. Firstly, you need to check your iPhone cellular data. Make sure your iPhone cellular data working well. If that not working on your iPhone, then you can't set up any voicemail. So make sure you are connected with strong cellular data. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone and easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn on airplane mode and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds. To do that, open iPhone settings. In settings, you need to tap on airplane mode, turn it on and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds. It will fix your issue. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. To check that, open iPhone settings, tap on general. Okay, tap on software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update it and it will fix your issue. So friends, by doing that simple 2 to 3 step, you can easily fix that your voicemail issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.